Hello again from Germany, in the little Miata world in Altendietz. Yeah, actually we are here. Robin did all day long wiring trees or yeah, some cable stuff for P&P harnesses for conversions. So this is what we are actually doing here. Mainly we got all the pins and all the crimps and all that stuff in stock. We got all the different colors in stock, so we can wire it up like it has to be. So it's pretty easy. Yeah, and this is what he actually did. So this is just the electronic part. This will be for V6 cars actually. I did one on a weekend and the other one will be done by Robin. So this is my car, you probably saw it. This is a 2-liter Roadrex from Nadine, which is all actually in because after we made a complete build, normally we just get the cars back to us to see everything is fine, everything is working correctly. There are probably some little issues like the idle or coming back to idle and all that stuff, so we just take care of that. And this is what we're doing now here in the workshop room. We just finished up the engine for Philip, which is a 1.6 liter stage 3 engine from us with a EFR 6278. Our stage 3 setup for the cams, and yeah, the engine block is like built on the website showed. Yeah, this engine is sold. This will leave next week, Wednesday, and this one is actually for the V6 Drifter. We're just waiting for powder coating parts. Yeah, so let's go over into the other workshop where it's probably a bit more dirty, and then we just can go through it. So we have here Björn's car, which runs that massive big 183/74 turbo. We just do some work onto the engine bay that the engine fits properly in, and it will go completely repainted. The underbody will be completely redone. The exoset is nearly there. We just did a lot of handcrafted work to the interior, to this part and this panel. All this is done by hand. Here is our BMW conversion in with the PPF. Connected, engine sits where it sits with the Gieselworks intake. Yeah, and just a big setup. I guess this one will be on the dyno next week and will be finished next week. This car is in, we rebuilt the engine. We had some issue with our catch can, with our valve cover, but we did not solve one at the moment, so we just solved that. This will be changed. This one is in for last inspection. We'll also get a black covered valve cover, so we are there, and yeah, this is where we are. So yeah, if you have any questions, just shoot them and I'm happy to help you. See you soon. Bye.